In TM1 you can configure multiple IBM Planning Analytics connections. And for each one you can specify a security sheet, to synchronize users and groups directly from Google Sheets. In the TM1 sidebar, go to the Users tab, where you can see and manage users manually. But we are going to export all the current users and groups to a new sheet. TM1 supports both native and CAM authentication. Now we can easily add new users and groups or modify the current ones. Add additional columns if you need more security groups. By the way, using file version history, you can easily track all the changes. And using Google Sheets protected ranges you can control who can see and update the security sheets. As configured previously, we should name the sheet Security A. Now you can synchronize the security in one click. TM1 will automatically check if users and groups exist and will create new ones if needed. Similarly, you can manage users and groups for other TM1 servers.